In exclusive, Jet Airways, we understand, is working on a big fundraising plan, and CNBC TV18 learns that several interested suitors are in talks with Naresh Goyal's aviation firm for investments. Nisha Poddar joins in to give us the exclusive details. Nisha, we know that Jet has been looking to reduce their debt for a while, and they have been successful at that. But now they're looking to raise funds to do that?
So there was an attempt, Sonia, earlier also about last year that Jet Airways had thought that they would be increasing raising some fund also, but that did not materialize. This time again, they have come back in the market because the aviation sector is now looking much better and the investors are a little more positive about this particular sector. So what I do gather from two independent sources with direct knowledge of the development at Jet Airways is that it is in talks with several investors for raising a huge amount of fund by selling a minority stake. Now 10%, 20%, that really depends on the appetite as well as the kind of dilution that promoter Naresh Goyal is ready to do, because remember, promoter is sitting at 51% stake and has been very keen on having a controlling position. Remember the Etihad deal. In that also, this foreign airline had managed to get 24% stake just before the trigger limit of the open offer, and it has to remain at that as well. So sources with direct knowledge share with us that some of the Abu Dhabi investment funds as well as sovereign wealth funds like ADIA are interested, have initiated talks. These are all early days right now for these talks to really materialize. What we do sense is that more suitors, more investors could be really joining the fray as and when these talks really progress. So at the moment, Jet Airways has started those talks. A large part of that fundraising will be utilized for reducing that 7,400 odd crore rupees of debt that they have on their books at the moment. But remember, Etihad cannot be infusing more funds at this juncture, even if they want to, because that will trigger an open offer. But they're sitting at 24% stake in Jet Airways. But what it can also do is that once some dilution of Etihad happens because of a financial investor coming in, Etihad can infuse a little more funds to up its stake back to 24%. That could bring in more funds into the company as well.
Okay, Nisha, thanks a lot.